back to my channel. If you're new here, in this space I talk about forex related stuff, the mistake I've made, and most important, the lesson that I keep making every day so that I can share with you. If you find value in this video, kindly hit that subscribe button, comment, tell me what you think about the video, and let's grow together. So anytime you comment, anytime you share my video, I really do appreciate, and I also do reply the comment that you and the question that you ask me. So coming into today's video, I don't want the video to be too long. I've been doing my analysis and I keep sharing the pairs that I want us to look at together even before the movement of the market happens, depending whether the market is volatile at that time or maybe the market is low. But I try to ensure at least I give you a free pair so that you can just do a follow-up. In case the market went the way I had already analyzed, then it is good for us. If the market did not go as the way I have already analyzed, we have to learn. At the end of the day, we always have to be a market student, okay? So that is why I don't do backtesting, by the way. I'd rather predict the market, because I'm not a scalper. After predicting or analyzing the market, then I'll come back after a week, 2 days, 3 days, then check if ever the market is going the way I've already said, and I'm also trading, so I have to keep up with the market. So coming in today's video, I want us to look at GBP and ZD. I did a whole video about my thought on GBP and ZD, and if you have not watched that video, kindly just go and watch that video, how I analyzed the market, where the market was before you come to this video, or maybe you can just watch this video, then you can just go back and watch how GBP and ZD, how it was. And even before I come into today's video, early this year, I did again a whole video about GBP and ZD, and I was saying the market will go so many pips, and you can say the market has been buying for quite a long period of time. You can just go and watch. By that time, I was using the double tops and the double bottom, but we keep on improving. You keep on improving until you find that strategy that aligns with you. So by the time I was doing that video, the market was around here, January there, and I was saying maybe one day the market will break the neckline and the market will buy, and you can see the market has been buying. So this is GBP and ZD. By the time I was analyzing the market, I've not even removed these ratings from here. Let me make them a bit bigger. By the time I was analyzing the market on weekly, it was bullish. Again, the daily, it was bullish. 4 hour, by then it was bearish. But 4 hour candle, it doesn't take much time like the weekly. Like the weekly to form, so you can just adjust, because the 4 hour market, after 4 hours the market will break, or maybe will not break, but again 4 hour happens faster than the weekly and the daily. So by then the 4 hour market, it was bearish. The market was at support, and I was only looking for buy. Why? Because whenever you come into the market, you want to have the majority of the time frame speaking to our own language, especially the higher time frame. So was our resistance, and you can see this market. You can just go and watch the video, so I don't want it to be in that much detail. The market was ranging around this area, and the moment they broke this market because of the news, I now had to apply my strategy, and that is support and resistance. Okay, after waiting for the market to break, I was waiting for the market to retrace. From retracing, now you can see at least all the weekly was bullish and daily was bullish, but by then the 4 hour was bearish. The market was selling at that time, and because the weekly and the daily was telling us to buy, I had to wait for the time frame to align. Then I can go to the lower time frame and wait for a good opportunity, then I can buy the market. After waiting, by now, of course, the 4 hour has already turned into bullish. So after waiting for this support, for the market to come back to this support, the market came back, and after entering the market, of course, using the lower time frame, you can see how the market has been buying. This is not I'm not talking about the entry video, but I'm just showing you the result of how the market has been behaving ever since then. You can see the market. I said in case this market does not break toward the downside, this downside here, we have a chance of getting around 400 or even 400, depending on how the market will be moving. And this week, last week, the market was very slow. The market has been moving so slow, but again, there's nothing you can do. So my analysis was, in case this market does not break the support, then we have a chance, because all the time frame are speaking that we have a chance of us buying more than 300 400 pips there. And now you can see, and I was saying, there's nothing that is making this market not to buy. Can you see? There's nothing that will make this market not to buy in case the buyer starts to come in. And you can see now the market has moved more than how many pips? The market has moved more than 287, almost heading to 300. Remaining 100 pips, I don't think the 100 pips is a lot, but anyway, you can see most of the pips the market has already moved to that pips. And even if you go to 4 hour, you can also see how the market has been behaving. It takes a lot of patience. And you can see the first day the market went to around 100 pips. It came again, retested, and now the market has already gone again, and now it is still buying. Today is on a Monday, 28th October 2024. So there's a chance the market will come to this zone, because the moment the buyers come in, they break the resistance, they come and retest, then they continue buying, and that is how we get the whole of those pips. Because I keep on saying that the market will buy 400 pips, it doesn't mean that you enter today, then the very same day the market goes to 400 pips. No, the market will give you today 100 pips. You can enter here, you get the 100 pips because of this resistance. You wait for the market to come and create a new new high low, then enter the market again. And if today you are given, like, let's say today you are given 50 pips, tomorrow you are given 100 pips, the next day you are given like 50 pips or 70 pips, you are good to go. That is how we trade. We don't say now you enter here and you let that market be. No, you have to wait for the market to retrace. You just have to have target, but this is just a way of showing you like the long term of that market. That is how I just save myself. If you can just get like 2 3 market, and they're speaking they are giving you good pips, it is better you focus with those two markets, rather than when you're having 20 pairs and none of them is giving you assurance of the market will either buy or sell. So that is why I was only focusing on 3 pairs the whole of last week, and one of them is GBP and ZD. And you can see how the market is moving slowly, but it is not retracing as much. The only place the market was disturbing is around this area. You see this dot here, it is because of this resistance, the coming resistance here. And now the first time I entered the market was around this area. You can remember when I was saying about that video, when I entered this area, the market went to 100 pips here, then it started to come down, and you can see again the market came down again, not breaking our support, of which you have to confirm again with the higher time frame, not breaking our support. And ever since, now the market has been buying. The market has been buying so well. It is almost 1 week the market has just been buying. And now at the end of the day, you find that you can just use a simple concept, follow up on that concept, and then come back and check if ever the market is is heading toward your direction. If it is not heading toward your direction, you learn from that mistake, so that you don't commit again. And when you come again today, you can see how the candle has been behaving. Only this one day the market went to 100 pips, and ever since we only have one red candle, indicating that the market retraced once. This day only once the market retraced once, and ever since the market has been buying, because we have like how many days, 1 2 3 for the market has been buying for 4 good straight days, no retracement, no nothing on the daily. But now, of course, when you go to the 4 hour, 1 hour, you'll find the market is retracing. But at the end of the day, was the strategy correct? Yes, the analysis was correct. But what you had to do, you have to be patient. I'm not in this market, I cannot hold for that long. The moment you get your 100 pips, I'm out of that market. But now I just have to monitor in case next time if I'll have that extra patient wait for the whole of those 400 pips. But at the end of the day, this is the only way for us to know that we are improving, rather than coming here back testing, showing you a market that happened 2020, 2019. That one will not happen because we are dealing with real time data. Okay, and the market will never be the same. Even if you have the same strategy, remember the market will never exactly give you the same thing. Only sometimes it is the same, but sometimes it will not be exactly the same. So as for me, I always prefer just analyze the market, come back. When you have already analyzed the market, you'll have the urge of coming back and checking if ever the market is playing the way you have already said, or if the market is going against you. Only then you'll know how this is where I will improve, and this is where I will have to improve. So that is why I'm saying you can just go and watch the whole of that video. This is where I'm saying the market was coming back to retrace, but after breaking that community resistance, now you can see the market is buying. So that is one of the pair that I gave you, and I really hope you made some money. Or maybe next time, if ever I give you a pair, just pay attention to that pair. Even if it is only one pair, that you'll trade the whole of that, it is better compared to having so many pairs that, and none of them is giving you good entry, or they're giving you a lot of pressure and stress. Just analyze the market ahead during the weekend, and then come back. Just have like, if you have like 20 pairs, take 2 3 pairs, analyze them, come back and check if your top 3 pairs played the way you had already said. So again, thank you so much for watching today's video. Until next time, bye bye.